I am obsessed with my Mylift Mini. It's no secret. I love this device. It goes up to 400 microamps and it comes with these probes. This one has 2 programs or 2 modes, erase and educate. So I will use this device once or twice a month because I'm in maintenance mode, and I will use the erase mode around the places on my face where one would get Botox. So the 11s to smooth out those fine lines here, my forehead to smooth out any fine lines or wrinkles coming in here, crow's feet, and then around the mouth to smooth out lip wrinkles, and then neck to smooth out tech neck or any necklines coming in. And then also if you have nasolabial folds or marionette lines around the mouth, you could use erase there as well. And then I'll move on to educate everywhere else on my face where I want to lift, tighten, and tone. Educate is going to tighten up and firm the muscles, whereas erase is going to lengthen or relax the muscles. I would do educate on my jawline, on my cheekbones area, my cheeks, my hoods. Again, like I want to lift and tighten up these hoods. I would actually use it underneath my eye as well, not going past 300 microamps on educate mode underneath the eye, but I'll do 400 here on my hoods, or 300 underneath. And that's pretty much it. I'll do that a couple times a month. Sometimes if I'm getting really lazy, I'll do it once a month because I'm in maintenance mode. Or if I see like my 11s coming in or an area of like my crow's feet are starting to show up more, I'll grab it and I'll do it just on that area and just get done with that quick treatment.